In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make all your recent files available offline here in Google Sheets. So when you're working with Google Sheets on a desktop, on a Mac, or even on your mobile app, if you want to make all your recent files available offline, here's how to do it. So I have Google Sheets open right here on my desktop, and here are all my recent spreadsheets. Now, if I go and open this one right here, there you go. This is an example spreadsheet that I've used in a previous video. Now, if you haven't checked that out yet, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner where you can learn how to fix the divided by zero error in your pivot tables. So again, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. So if I go to File here in our menu bar, you'll see that we have the option of Make Available Offline. So this is for individual files that you have. If you want to make them available offline, it will be an option for each of your files whenever you go to File here in the menu bar. But what we can do would be to change our settings and make all of our recent files available offline without going to the file and then selecting Make Available Offline. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go back. We have our main menu right here at the top left corner. If we click on that, then go to Settings. Here are the settings that we have. We have our language, templates, offline, and our activity dashboard. So under offline, we are going to be turning this on right here where we can create, open, and edit our recent Google Docs or Google Sheets files on this device while offline. So if we turn that on, there you go, setting up offline access. Let's click on OK. There we have it. Now, if I go back to the same file that we opened a while ago and go back to File on the menu bar, you'll see that our Make Available Offline option is no longer part of this list right here. That's because it has automatically set all of our recent files to be available offline whenever we need to work on it without the internet. And there you have it. So let me just go back and try another recent file. Let's select this one right here. Then go to File again here in our menu bar. And there you go. We will not see the same option of Make Available Offline right here on this list. So that's how you can make all your recent files available offline here in Google Sheets, whether you're using a desktop, a Mac, or a mobile app. Now for the mobile app, again, all you have to do would be to go to your main menu on the top left corner, go to Settings, and turn on that option. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.